Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today. Coming in at number 47, we have John Maxwell. Now, John Maxwell has written many leadership books. You've probably read one of them or seen one somewhere. I want you to hear from his mouth what he believes leadership really is. Let's check it out.
And what I've discovered is that successful people have always positioned themselves well. When you see a successful person, they're successful because what they have done is they've found their strength zone and they've found their niche and they stay right in that sweet spot and they just work that sweet spot. You've never heard anybody be in an interview that was successful that you came up and you interviewed them and they said, well, the secret of my success is that I've never discovered what I was good at. Or the secret of my success is I've always worked on, I've just worked in my weakness. No, they're always in their strength. They've already discovered what they're good at. Now, successful people have discovered what they're good at. Successful leaders discover what other people are good at.
I've always had a fear of having nothing to give because you cannot give what you do not have. So the compelling desire in the beginning was to keep my well filled. What I didn't understand is that would be the source of my creativity. That would be the source of almost everything. Almost everything.
Inspiration.
Absolutely. Almost every good thing that's happened to me is because of that advice of my dad. To be a student, to be a learner, to ask questions. I discovered that when I'm talking, I'm not learning anything. But when I'm asking questions, I'm learning everything.
Okay.
And so every person is my teacher. Every person has something that they know that I need to know. That's my basic thought is when I have 5 minutes with somebody, I want to find out as quickly as I can what they know because they have something I need to know. And the quicker I know them, the quicker I can ask the question so they can help me.
And I think the key is once you see somebody that is helping you, be bold and ask them, can I take you to breakfast? And by the way, here's a thought, buy the breakfast, okay? Just don't go and say, hey, how about buying breakfast for me? But just, I took that step. And I've always been glad I took that step, but I've always thought to myself, you know what, if I wouldn't have taken the step, then I probably would have never had that relationship or never maybe would have asked that question, never would have had this seminar or would have written the book. So I think once you see somebody that you think can really help you, take the initiative and step right out.
I think it's really important that we heard what John Maxwell had to say because he really embodies leadership and really I believe creativity because he was able to spread his message across many different platforms, many different mediums so that people can ingest it and people can get it. And that's a really important thing to do nowadays because you need to catch people where they are. It may be a book, a podcast, it may be any type of medium. That's where you want to catch them, and he's really been influential in that manner. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's Top 52 Creative Leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you. And it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success. And you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We've got videos coming. And you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. We're always aiming for that. So from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.